Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another fly tying session. And today, in today's video, I'm going to be tying the Bicho Fly pattern, and I'm doing this using a size 8 curved hook. I'll begin by wrapping my tan thread on the hook shank and wrapping all the way to the bend of the hook. For the body of this fly, I'm going to grab two colored foams, the brown foam and the tan foam, and cut each of these pieces into triangle-shaped tips. I'm going to secure the brown foam first, followed by the tan foam. And both of these foams are 2 millimeters thick. Once your brown foam is secured, secure the tan foam on top of the brown foam and lay it over the hook shank and begin creating 3 equal segments. Cut out the excess tan foam at this point. Once you're done creating the 3 segments, grab the brown foam and lay it over the segmented body and secure with a few thread wraps. I'm now going to grab a few strands of pearl crystal flash and secure those to the hook. This will come in handy in improving the visibility of the fly when fishing. I'm now going to grab some orange poly yarn and secure that right on top of the last segment. Then bring the rest of the poly backwards towards the tail and secure with a few thread wraps, and then snip off the excess right at the bend of the hook. Once that is done, grab the brown foam and bring it back towards the tail and secure with a few thread wraps. Cut out the excess at the end of the hook and using your fingers, fold the foam and cut the foam at an angle, forming a V-like shape. Next, I'm going to create the post of the fly, and I'm going to do this using some orange poly. I'm going to secure that to the hook and begin wrapping a generous amount of thread vertically. Now let's create the legs of this fly. For this, I'll be using some white round rubber. I'm going to grab 2 pairs and knot to form the hind legs and secure those in place. Use your fingers to pull and separate the 2 strands of rubber. Now grab the top pieces of rubber on either side, bring them back towards the tail and secure with a few thread wraps. Cut out the top rubbers of the hind legs. I'll grab another pair of white rubber, secure right before the hook eye to form the antennae of the fly. For the thorax of the fly, secure 4 to 3 strands of peacock herl and wrap until the thorax is well built up. Then cut out the excess peacock herl. We also offer bulk flies tied with the same precision that you see in our videos. delivered with quick turnaround, so please check out our attached catalog for the details in the description box below. Now grab a single brown Hackle feather, cut out the base and take out a few fibers and secure to the hook. Begin taking wraps from the topmost part of the post downwards. Cut out the excess Hackle feather, whip finish and cut out your thread. Finally, grab a black permanent marker pen and ball the legs of your fly. And that's a completed Bicho Fly pattern. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a comment below, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.